happened. I keep seeing in the comments where a lot of you guys saying, Kev, make it 12S. Kev, put a giant motor in it. The trouble is, I like the Xmaxx as it is. The Xmaxx is lightweight, it's powerful, and I think that's what makes it good. If you start adding a load of weight to it, it's going to take away what the Xmaxx is originally good for, being lightweight and durable. But I've got a Castle XLX2 system here, massive great big motor, and B&M have sent me a motor conversion kit to fit these giant great big motors. Trouble is, I don't really want to fit it to my Xmaxx because I like my Xmaxx the way that it is. But Martin does, so we're going to fit it into Martin's. By the way, postman's just been, so we'll have a little look in here a little bit later. So here we got Martin's Xmaxx, and we got Martin in the house. Go on then, crack him open, boy. I thought my new TP was big.
Mine's bigger than yours, Kev.
Man, look at the size of this thing. So for the conversion, we've got a B&M motor mount, B&M belt drive conversion, and a few other bits and bobs in here. So we've got the motor mount in, brand new receiver box, which sits in here somewhere like that. Then we've got a new ESC mount that screws on top of here, so it's all sitting nice and low. And then the ESC sits in there like that. It's all in there, and now's the moment of truth.
I'm nervous. Have you got a fire extinguisher?
So Martin is nervous, and rightly so, because I've had 2 of these speed controllers catch fire before. So Martin nervously plugs it in, and nothing.
Go to full reverse.
So we read the instructions and try and do it professionally.
Full reverse.
Full reverse. Hold on, I've got to hold it. If I let go now, it goes. So next, we take the wheels off for safety, and we've gave Raz Schifrin a call, who is the Castle expert. And now, let's see if it works.
No, we're good.
We good?
We're good for now.
It is ready to go. Check it out. It's all mounted. I'll tell you what, the good thing about this ESC mount is that with this receiver box, it moves the receiver over there, and it gets the ESC nice and low down onto the chassis. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
First go. Oh! Oh, look at that crawl. So with it being a censored system, it makes low speed performance really good. I would do, it's just a diff, isn't it?
I need to put an air plug in the diff.
Can't see much out here now. Oh. Tumble wumble. Oh, what's going on? Poor diff, man. That's cold, isn't it?
Is it cold?
Yeah, man, that belt drive is sounding nice. So next, the plan was to take it out in the daytime and give it a proper run. So Martin took it along to ARC, and it broke really early on. It just stopped working, so we sent the ESC back to get it serviced. It came back, and that was like months and months later. Martin got bored, put it in a different car. So that's the end of the big motor in that Xmaxx. Personally, I think it's a very bad idea to make the Xmaxx heavier. The same is true with any RC car. The more weight that you add, the less durable it's going to become. You know, if you start adding a kilo here somewhere, the amount of load that gets put on suspension components and on everything else, the drivetrain, especially when you're crashing and landing on hard jumps, it gets exponentially worse and worse and worse. So every gram that you can save is going to make your RC car so much more reliable. I mean, a lot of people complain and say, the Xmaxx, look at it, it's all plastic. But guys, that's a good thing. It makes it lightweight, it makes it durable, it makes the spare parts relatively cheap, and it just makes it a whole lot more reliable. I would say the stock power system is more than up to the job, especially if you start gearing it up. You can get these things to go 60 miles an hour, which for a monster truck is way, way, way more than enough. But as I always say, the right way is whichever puts the biggest smile on your face. So if big motors and crazily overpowered Xmaxxes put the biggest smile on your face, then that's the way that you should do it. But for me, I like my Xmaxx, it's relatively stock. This one here is fully stock, with the exception that I have geared it up slightly. That Xmaxx up there has a few more modifications. I have recently put a little bit of alloy onto it. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it on there or if I'm going to take it off again. You know, a company sent it to me to test it out. I put it on there, but I think ultimately, guys, the more weight you add, you're going to start causing breakages elsewhere. I think that's the trouble with these armour rigs. They've got so much metal on there and heavy components that these armours are so much more heavier than the Xmaxx. So they break a lot easier. All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh, guys, this looks like something really special. This is a little drift car, but look at it. It's carbon fibre. It's aluminium. Guys, this is going to be epic. That's going to be in the video soon. Oh, check this out. We've got a Jimny, officially licensed by Suzuki. Check it out, guys. Look at all the detail in there. So that is going to be on the video very soon too. Also, we got a Traxxas Bronco. A lot of you guys have been saying, Kev, where's the crawler videos? Soon. We got some coming up. Also, Raminator videos. You guys keep banging on about it. Yes, we got to get it out.